This year's outstanding agricultural researcher of Region 2 is a true enthusiast and advocate of the development of the livestock industry. Dr. Anita T. Asuncion, or Doc Annie, pioneered the identification of the best technology options on sheep production, stimulating the interest of sheep raisers not only in Region 2 but in other regions as well.
Through all these years, from Ilagan Experiment Station through Gilliland Research Outreach Station, I have worked with crops research. Although when I joined Gilliland Research Station, part of my task was also to handle the livestock development project, and that was the start of my career as a livestock development worker, which I continued when I joined Isabela breeding station. So I took over the helm of this station in 2003 when the then former station manager Vicente Patiñas retired. And up to now, I am still with this station, continuing all my efforts to perfect the technology recommendations in line with sheep production.
After taking the leadership of the said station in 2003, she was able to craft and implement research and development programs geared towards developing location-specific production management technologies for sheep, forage, and pasture development. Studies developed under this resulted in the identification of best technology options, which were tested in the station for large-scale production before distribution and testing on farm trials. Under Doc Annie's leadership, technologies in lieu with sheep production are now the subject for technology promotion through on-site research and trainings. Her dedication and interest to develop research studies relating to sheep production is a result of her persistence in establishing collaborative undertakings and packaging proposals in order to pursue important research and development projects. Among the most important location-specific technologies that Doc Annie was able to generate under her leadership are recommended forages for pasture development and pasture development strategies, housing requirements and sanitation practices, care and management of breeder stocks, feeds and feeding practices for various age group, recommended breeds and breeding station, recommended health and husbandry practices, waste management, and records management. The main evidence to all her efforts is the Region 2 Guide to Successful Sheep Raising, which serves as the ultimate guide for interested sheep raisers and is now being distributed in the region. Her focus to sheep research and development is the first from among existing DA livestock stations in the country. She believes that her brainchild on focusing research and development undertakings on sheep would serve as the interest of a flourishing sheep industry in the region.
So now we are very confident whenever we go to fieldworks, whenever we extend technical assistance to breeder loan recipients. We are now confident with our technology recommendations, sure of the technology recommendations that we are giving them, that it will really work in their actual conditions because we have tested it first in the station. So initial research results we have obtained from research projects we have conducted in the station were first tested in the station.
At present, the technologies she developed are being promoted through an Extension Delivery System or EDS program. The EDS is a collaborative undertaking with the local government unit as the extension arm of the agriculture sector. Through Doc Annie's leadership, each province in Region 2 has an organized EDS team to visit various breeder loan recipient farms, providing them technical assistance and conveying technologies that were developed in the station. Doc Annie was instrumental in consolidating all possible resources and support, starting from the establishment of the Isabela breeding station as the first and only nucleus farm for sheep in the entire country to focus on research and development. The main purpose of the Nucleus Farm is sheep production build-up for the breeder loan program. At present, there are 94 breeder loan farms adopting technologies developing in the station, including the science and technology-based farms managed by the magsasakang siyentista in the region. Doc Annie came up with location-specific recommendations resilient to climate change and ensuring higher production efficiency to strengthen the sheep industry in the region and to heighten the interest and passion of livestock raisers on sheep production.
There are still a lot of things to do when it comes to promoting sheep production in the country. We are way behind compared to other countries. We need to exert more effort. Let us work together to make sheep a popular commodity in the country and make it as a commodity that will address our problems and shortages of milk products. Because sheep, known for its tolerance to pests, to parasites and disease infection, and possibly be the livestock species that can cope up with a fast-growing human population.